Hello everyone, it's your boy Kyle. Welcome to 10 Minutes of Fame, a brand new show. Basically, I'm going to explain a little bit about our show. Our show is all about artists. We are interviewing artists, entrepreneurs, influencers, everyone who's making wonders around Bulawayo, Zimbabwe, Bafethu. So basically, today we're having a brand new episode with Nashville, another Nash production. We're having him today, tonight. Konalapa, I want to tell us more about his uhambo lwakho bafethu. Siyabonga.
Ngibona nginjoni igama lami ngoNash. Lokuzalwa ngoNash Anyika. Lapha masisu industry lapha emculweni lapha ngisebenzela iTeenage or Nashville. Ngiqale i-music journey yami engathi iqale ngisasesikolo. Kodwa futhi ngihlabele kukhwaya esikolo. Ngihlabele i-outro ku grade 5 man. Grade 5. So ngathi i-understanding music futhi ngase ngelayo. Ngizokwazi ukuthi befundise ngizwe. Then ngase siba serious sibili ngena ku music production. I think lapha it was 2005 go form 3 ngena ku music production. By the way ngafunda ngakhulela. I was born and bred in Bulawayo. Ngakhulela eNketha 9. Ngafunda eNkitha Primary School, then secondary ngase Founders High School. So secondary level kwengaqala music production. Ngaba lenhlanhla kumama ngithengela icomputer. Delana icomputer eyimangalisa ubala. Umama ngithengela icomputer. Besithi ngenza ukuprint abathathu lokutype ngoba ngithanda ama computers. Instead of that ngaqala ukuzikhandela ama-beat. From Kompana Ngisamanga sengifike kwestand ukuthi and now I have awards. I've been nominated kanene. One of the biggest awards here in Bulawayo, PA Awards. Ngathola award Outstanding Music Producer of the Year 2021. Yeah. Then ama-challenges kaswelakali. Ngathi mina I also played bass guitar. I'm a bassist again. I've played for Sandon Developing. I am Lavela. Ulokuze Ntomba, Ntaka Machaivana, Derek Machaivana. City Laboremuzi, even Fred Kuala City myself map rapper. I'm Lavela with the bass guitar. So a challenge, man, I had to mix. Kwa kufuza studio, ama-challenges ngapha ngibe lasemaKatari ngoba sasikwazi ukuthi sithowe sihambe sibe for days and days. So ngafika esigabeni sokuthi ngithi now I'm doing music production full time. Lokho amabhendi ngase ngiyenza lapha nalapha. Ngibona noba ungu-20 bani lapha 2013 yeah, yikho ngahlala estudio. Ngisebenzisa istudio esinye sikwazi ukuthi iKines Records. Babe ngiqhathile comparison as a producer there. So ngasiba le challenge futhi khona ukuthi istudio sosapho yaku-limited. Angingakwanisi ukuthi sometimes uyahlangana lama-artist ale talent. Awuthi ambona ukuthi le talent but ka-afford ukuthi ebhadale istudio or akala umuntu ongamphathele istudio. So ngawasiba challenge ukuthi utshela umnikazi wendawo ukuthi ufuna urecord umuntu lo for free. So I had to find my own equipment. Yeah. Equipment ukuthi enze ngithenga ngaphuma sibe into enze music. Ngihamba ngayasebenza eForce. Ngasebenza eForce kwenye indawo. Ngithanda ukukhuluma but ngahlala 1 year khona ngale. Ngaphenduka the stuff enough futhi at least in car production. And since then I've worked with so many artists. I've worked with Black Mfolosi, one of the leading groups eZimbabwe, Black Mfolosi, labo Indosakusa, I've worked with Clement Makwaza, I've worked with Madlela Skobokobo, I've worked with from Harare, Tomban Mutal Mechanic Manyeruki, labo Chamo Bande, labo Mindere, Urobzin Tomban. Almost minded. Mina into engiyenzayo like man ngifuna ukuthi ngichaye umoya out of the studio. Mostly I spend most of my time in la. So mina ngithanda ukuthi lesisikhathi I go out lama chimbos. Siyowosa. Sisahamba endaweni very quiet. Ngoba njengoba sihlala sisendaweni emsindo kwayo. Oh, some boring, so really boring. That's what I do. Uthi ngikhiphe nje just to mind lo kana music picture. But of course, awukhiphe ngoba yakwazi ukuthi uzongoma ukukhala vele ucabange la ukuthi ube inspired ukuthi uzizwe la ufuna ukwenza something. Yabona? So music yankhona uyenza ungekho studio nxa ukhona. Then a word of advice to upcoming artists and producers. Umuntu kumele ube vision, ngibona ngaba le vision, ungafuna ukuba ngaba le point of ukufika kiyo. You work towards that yafika. If you're a producer, music, lalela every type of music. Ungazilimiti ukuthi wena uyenza lokho. Lokana kuza kulimita emiyo ukuthi awusoze ube creative enough ukuthi ube ngangale kwe creation. Like uma uze uyenza piano kuphela, then ulalela amapiano kuphela mtshokotsho, uzaphelela khona. But ungathi uyenza piano, produce piano kodwa ukwazi ulalela jazz, what afro, what rave lokunye lokana. Ipiano lakho lizaba different because uzarefuser lamanye genres. So I think that's how you become umuntu omkhulu entweni oyenzayo. Awumelanga uzilimit. Ngiyabonga manje. Thank you so much.
Ngithathe into zami ngigoduke. Sengithathe into zami ngihambe. Sengithathe into zami ngigoduke. Ngoba abantu abanathandwa, yabantu abanamusa, abantu. Keniyeke numona. Don't live for people, ungaphilela abantu. Don't live for people, ungaphilela abantu. Abantu abanomona, abantu abayithanda intenhle. Abantu abanomona, abantu abayithanda intenhle.
Wakithi, mina ngingumdlali obhora ngiyazizamela. Ngikhulele khonapha magogo banenkangela. Kathi phose ngivela nesihlobo sami. Basotho.
Abasakwazi.
Hello bafethu, sesiphendulile njalo siphela khona uNash Music Production. Singayibeka sithini ubevula ama WhatsApp akhe, esibonela ama WhatsApp akhe sikhuluma la bafethu. Siyabonga Danki Bulawayo. Catch me next week igama ngoqhawe with another episode.